In this beginner's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting here in Google Sheets. So conditional formatting helps highlight important data automatically, making it easier to spot trends, identify issues, and analyze information at a glance. It also saves time and makes your spreadsheets more organized and easier to read. So I have 3 examples right here. For the first one, we have some scores of some students for their math subject. The first thing that I want to do is to highlight the scores that are above 90. So I want to know the students that have scored over 90. So to do that, I'm just going to select the range that I want to apply the conditional formatting to. Then go to Format here in the menu bar and select Conditional Formatting. So on the right side, we have our conditional format rules. First part is our range, then the rule or the condition that we want to apply, and the formatting that will be applied to those cells or values that meet our condition. So here right now it says that if our cells are not empty, they will be formatted in this manner. Now we're going to change that. So we're going to go to the format rules. We're going to go to greater than, and I'm going to put in the value of 90. There you have it. So there are so many format rules that you can choose from depending on what type of data you want to highlight. In this specific example, again, I want to highlight the scores that are over 90. So the format rule that I've chosen is greater than. Then I'm going to enter the value right here, and here we have it. This is a default formatting style, and if you want to change it, you can absolutely do that. If you want to put it in bold, change the font color to white, and even change the fill color to black, there you have it. That's the conditional formatting that we've applied to these cells right here. Click on Done, and there you have it. Moving on to another example right here. So in this example, I have some tasks and some due dates. Now I want to prioritize the ones that are due before today. And to do that, I can apply some conditional formatting to highlight the dates that meet that criteria. So again, I'm just going to select that range, go back to Format here in the menu bar, and select Conditional Formatting. We have the default rule already applied to our cells. I'm going to change that into the date is before. So I want to select or highlight only the dates on this data or on this range that is before today. Now you can change this into any other day, maybe tomorrow or yesterday, some in the past week, month, or year, or even an exact date. So depending on, again, what type of data you have, you can change the date right here. And of course, the formatting style, if we want to change the text color into red, then remove the fill color and put that again in bold. There you have it. We have quickly highlighted the dates that we need to prioritize because the due dates are before today. And there you have it. Click on Done and Close. And finally, for the last example, we have the sales of different people from different regions. And what we can do here to highlight or to maybe rank the ones that have the highest sales to the lowest sales is to apply a color scale. So we can also do that with our conditional formatting. So again, just select that range. Go to Format. Open your conditional formatting. And instead of the single color right here on the first tab, we're going to go to the color scale. If I click on that, it automatically applies the color scale where the highest amount has the darkest shade and the lowest amount has the lightest. So you can also change the colors right here. If you didn't want to use the color green, then you can select that right here. There you have it. Or if you want a different type of format, you can select this one as well. So if you wanted to have, let's say, 2 different colors or 3 different colors, that's so up to you. 2 different colors, that is also an option. There you have it. So we have the darkest green for the highest amount and darkest red for the lowest amount. So again, depending on what type of format you want to use, you can definitely change that into your own preference. Click on Done, close that off. And that's your beginner's guide on how to apply conditional formatting here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.